Hi and welcome to Vogue and You. Today I'm back with another tutorial video. With all this time we are spending at our home, these days our body has become lazy to some extent, which is gradually adding to bad posture of our body. So I believe there is a need of some physical activity in our lifestyle. So today I'll be showing you some asanas and some types of pranayam which may help you to stay fit, happy and energetic. And if you are new to yoga or if you have never tried yoga, then this video is specially for you. First is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Never bend your back while doing this. Back should be straight, hands in Gyan Mudra position. Sit cross legs, eyes closed. Now plug in your right nostril using your right thumb and inhale and exhale with left nostril. Do this 5 times. Now using your ring and middle finger, close your left nostril, inhale and exhale with right nostril. Do this 5 times again. Make sure you never bend your back while inhaling and exhaling. Back should be straight. Next is Anulom Vilom Pranayam, hands in Gyan Mudra position. Press your right nostril with your thumb and inhale with left nostril. Now plug in your left nostril with your middle and ring finger and exhale with right nostril. Now inhale. Again plug it with your thumb and exhale with your left nostril. That's the first cycle. We will start with left and finish with the left. Now do this at least 5 times. That's why it's called alternate nos. First is Gomukh Asana. Sit in Dandasana. Bend your knees. Bring your left foot underneath your right knee. Stuck your right knee directly on top of the left. Break up your right arm above your head. Bend the elbow. Simultaneously, bring the left hand behind the back with the bent elbow. Interlock your hands behind your back. Breathe, exhale, release your arms, repeat with the other leg. We are going to sit in Baddha Kon Asana, the butterfly pose. Your legs will be stretched a little bit forward. Keep your back straight and ease out your pelvic muscles. Don't keep your legs too close to you. Keep them slightly away from you. Now do just as I am doing. Next is Anjani Asana or the crescent moon pose. For this, bring your left foot back. Rest your hands on the floor and stretch your back leg. Once balanced, slowly rest your knees on the floor. You will notice that this is a stretching pose which stretches your pelvic muscles. You can place your hands on the floor or your thigh. Here, stretch back a little. Now bring your arms at the side of your head and the spine extended. Inhale and then exhale. So now let's come on to the Bhujan Asana. So lie down on your abdomen. Keep your palms near the side of your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cage. Arch your neck and look upward gently. Put pressure on your toes by pressing them onto the floor. And release. Next is Pavan Muktasana. Lie on your back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Now bring your right leg towards your chest and hold it with clasped hands. Repeat it with your left leg. Hold them again with your clasped hands. Now bring both the knees together towards your chest and with clasped hands press them. Try touching your nose with your knees and then your chin. Release this posture.